I pre-parted my hair. I did have these braids in for about a week because I braided too tight at the roots, which is one mistake I made. You don't need your braids too tight for these crochets. So I went on ahead and finished most of my hair just to get the feel of which method I like best. I know you guys don't want to sit through a full video of me doing these, so I'm going to show 3 step-by-step tutorials of how I accomplished this look. Just keep watching. As you guys know, crochet hair already comes separated, so I will be using 2 pieces for each lock. So I went in with my 2 crochet pieces, hooking it and only pulling one side through. Then I spread the hair apart. I learned that it's much easier when looping it through first so that it doesn't get tangled once you crochet it through your hair. Now what you want to do next is, depending on your desired length that you want your lock, you're just going to stretch one side to the length you want it. And I wanted mine the length of my braids, and I am leaving curls out on my ends as well, so I'll be adding an extra length, but it all really depends on you. Now you just want to take your other piece and begin wrapping it around the roots at least 3 to 5 times till it feels tight and secure. Moving downward, you can wrap it around normally, or you can use your thumb like I did. I found that both methods were easy and the locks came out exactly the same, so it's really no big difference in that. Once you pull your thumb out, the lock itself will form. Now to achieve the butterfly look, all I did was split the piece up and just continue wrapping it. What splitting it up does is just give the hair random spaces to stick out on its own. When I was watching other tutorials, I seen that people use their thumbs to keep the loops out, but it wasn't giving what it was supposed to when I tried that way. So this way is much easier, and it works with and without using your thumbs for my beginners. Now once you make it to the end of the lock, all I did was wrap it at the end around 3 to 4 times, and then I started wrapping upwards in the same direction using the same method. To wrap that entire strand around the lock, this is what's going to secure your lock in place. You don't secure it with anything else, so wrapping that piece until it's fully gone is what's going to keep your lock together. And since I did have curls at the end of mine, I'm just going to trim it up. So let's run through the method a second time. So guys, here's the finished look. What I did learn while completing this style is that the crochet part is actually unnecessary, and that this look can be completed just by simply securing the hair around the roots. And you don't want to overdo it with the butterfly loops, because over the time the hair will loosen up and kind of give the look itself. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave feedback and let me know what you guys want to see next. Thanks for watching.